Power is not about working harder, and it is not about chasing opportunities. True power knows how to conserve energy and control direction. It understands that brute force is a limited resource, while strategic influence is infinite. The illusion most of us live under is that effort equals outcome, that the more we sweat, the higher we climb. But history and human nature tell a different story. The greatest leaders, thinkers, and strategists didn't just work hard, they worked smart, understanding the invisible currents that shape our world. Imagine two people. One does everything alone, carries every task, and exhausts themselves day after day. They are a whirlwind of activity, always busy, always moving. They might achieve some success, but their energy is constantly depleted, their vision clouded by the next urgent task on their list. The other person observes, understands the strengths of those around them, delegates effectively, and moves strategically. Both work, but only one rises. The one who rises isn't just a manager. They are an architect of outcomes, building with the skills and efforts of others, while they focus on the grand design. This brings us to a fundamental principle, Law 7 of Power States. Get others to do the work for you, but always take the credit. Now, this isn't about laziness or exploitation. It is about leverage. It's the art of amplifying your own effort through the actions of others. Think of it like a master artist who conceives a masterpiece but has a team of apprentices to handle the pigments and canvases. Those who conserve their personal energy gain the most valuable assets of all: time, clarity, and control. They can see the bigger picture because they aren't lost in the tiny details. But leverage alone is not enough. If you constantly chase outcomes, you lose your position of strength. You become reactive, always running towards the next goal, the next opportunity, the next person. When you chase, you signal neediness. You give away your power. Your movements become predictable, and you can be easily led into traps or dead ends. Law 8 completes the lesson. Make others come to you, use bait if necessary. This is about establishing yourself as the center of gravity. When you make others approach you, you set the terms of the engagement. You control the environment, the timing, and the agenda. When you chase, you react to their world. When others chase you, they must enter your world, where you decide the rules. The bait isn't deception. It's the value, the reputation, or the unique skill you possess that makes coming to you irresistible. Ultimately, power moves efficiently. It uses effort wisely, never wasting it on tasks that can be delegated. And most importantly, it controls direction instead of following it. Don't just work hard. Work smart. Build your value, establish your ground, and let others move toward you. That is the essence of true and lasting power. Thank you for watching.